Beyond the river, where the willows gently sway, there's an old mill standing proud through every day. She has watched the dawn awaken countless skies, while silent eagles circled high where freedom flies. The morning mist rolls softly from the miles, turning every passing moment into glass. Every stone has held the footsteps of the years. Every breeze still carries voices to my ears. If walls could sing, if sails could dream, they'd tell the stories carried by the stream. Take me where the wind still knows my name, where every sunrise never looks the same, where wooden wings still turn against the sky, teaching every soul how time can gently fly. Take me where the wind still knows my name. This old mill calls me home again. 300 years have come and slipped away, still she greets another golden break of day. Empires faded, kingdoms came and went, yet every season found her standing heaven sent. Below her lies the water, calm and bright, reflecting stars throughout the quiet night. Her shadow stretches gently through the land like a father's calm and weathered hand. If walls could sing, if sails could dream, they'd tell the stories carried by the stream. Take me where the wind still knows my name, where every sunrise never looks the same, where wooden wings still turn against the sky, teaching every soul how time can gently fly. Take me where the wind still knows my name. This old mill calls me home again. Close your eyes, can you hear the sails above? Can you feel the earth below? The river never hurries, the wind never forgets, and somewhere time stands still. Take me where forever starts today, where every cloud just slowly drifts away, where children still believe the wind can sing, and every season brings another spring. If I should wander far from where I've been, I'll always find this peaceful place again. Take me where the wind still knows my name. This old mill calls me home again. For every road eventually will lead back home, to where the wind still knows my name. The river keeps on flowing, the old mill keeps on turning, and somewhere in the morning light, dreams begin again.